work table on the starboard side. And here there is a good sized seat, so you can actually seat 2 people here. Here you have information about charging, navigation, tank volume, automatic fuses. Easy to pull out, easy to access everything. You have a number on every wire, and you have a register here, so you know every fuse what it goes to. So it's easy to find anything you are looking for. Heater control, stereo control, tank control, master bus connection, so you can connect to the charging system. You can easily see here if you are connected to shore power. You have 2 shore power cables, one for service and one for the air conditioner only. That means that you can run the air conditioning and charge the batteries at the same time, because if you would only have one wire, you would not have enough power to both charge and cool down the boat with air conditioning. You also have 2 combis on this boat, so you have 2 inverters. You can see here if you have 1 or 2 of them that works. You have outlets, you have a holder for pencils. There is a fiddle here, but only in this way, because while you are seated here you want to have a flush area for your elbows, otherwise this would only be in your way.